To check your account balance on Assembla, follow these straightforward steps. This guide will help you navigate the process easily. Step 1. Log in. Visit the Assembla website and enter your username and password to log into your account. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, look for the account settings or profile option, usually located in the upper right corner of the dashboard. Step 3. Access billing information. In the account settings menu, find the billing or payment section. This is where you can view your financial details. Step 4. View account balance. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROP to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 5. Logout. After checking your balance, remember to log out of your account to ensure your information remains secure. By following these steps, you can easily check your account balance on Assembla. If you have any further questions, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.